Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish meal, easy method. Start by collecting clean fish scraps, heads, and frames, then rinse and chill them immediately to reduce odor and bacteria. Next, roughly chop solids and separate excess liquids before cooking. This helps maintain quality and lowers drying time. Follow predictable steps for cooking, drying, grinding, and storing so you get consistent, nutrient-rich fish meal for pets, garden, or compost. Heat matters. Simmer fish scraps gently until bones soften and flesh flakes, which preserves proteins and oils. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and don't overcook, because high heat can remove nutrients and worsen smell. Use a lid to contain odors and save the strained liquid for broth or fertilizer. After cooking, let solids cool slightly before moving to the drying stage to make handling safer and more efficient. Drying is crucial. Aim for brittle, bone-free pieces using a dehydrator, low oven, or sunny, dry weather, depending on your setup. Break or crush larger bits and finish in a grinder to achieve a consistent fish meal texture. Cool the powder fully on a clean tray and measure moisture. If any dampness remains, return to drying to avoid spoilage. Properly dried and ground meal stores longer and mixes easier in feeds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.